in this session, I will explain how to add different kinds of apps to your MS Word and utilize the options available or features available in those apps, which cannot available in MS Word directly. So we can add any other app and you can utilize the features of those apps by get add in option. So this option works only if you connect it to network, internet. See, it is showing different kinds of apps. Like in your mobile, you are adding number of apps. Here also you can add number of required apps to your MS Word. For example, here are some categories. For example, education. Education category, we have Wikipedia and math type like apps. Okay, you can select the required app. For example, Wikipedia is a popular app which contains different kinds of information like about persons, about areas. Lot of information you can found in Wikipedia. I want to get the information of Wikipedia in MS Word itself. So I am going to add this particular app. Click on add and it is asking license policy. Yes, continue. So it is trying to connect. So directly also here also it is available Wikipedia. Directly also you can connect from here. So see, I want to know, like that it is asking. So I want to know MS Office and then search. It will lists the information about that particular MS Office. See, it is showing all the related information belongs to Office. Microsoft Office or simple Office is a discontinued family of client software and server software and services. So like that, so many, and it is showing some tables also, what are the products you are having. Okay, and click on show table and different office releases, everything it will shows. See, all the information about MS Office. So you can select the particular information and use copy or Control C to copy that one, and see, we have different selections also. Okay, first what I copied I am going to paste here using Control V, or you can use home to paste that one. So I am pasting here. So like that, gather the information from the particular option. Suppose common features. See, the features of MS Office, it is showing like this. Okay, you can select and you can use in your Word document. And if you want some other, suppose you want to know about something, a person, suppose I am typing some Sachin. See, it is it is not the full name, it is showing some suggestions. Sachin actor is there and Sachin Tendulkar it is showing. I am clicking on Sachin Tendulkar. So it will shows the complete information regarding that particular person, and even it will shows the table contents everything. I am copying using Ctrl C and I can paste here. So like this I will get information. Because MS Word is a document software, word processing software, we need lots of information. Wikipedia also consists of lots of information. We can easily get the information from here and we can gather the particular information and you can use the information in your Word document. So like this we can add. And also I already added math type like that, adding. Okay, suppose again insert, get add-ins. See, we have education and here math type is there. I already added that math type. It will ask some sign up something, a license agreement, etc., etc. You say add and 30 days trial it will give you. You can utilize that particular options available in that particular app. Okay. See, this is math type. I am adding, already added and sign up. If you click on that particular one, it will show you mathematical related and scientific related formulas, how to place formulas, everything. See, that is 30 days trial version. You can purchase that one and see, insert math and insert chemistry, like that options it is giving. Suppose insert math. Here it will provide different kinds of symbols like this. Suppose I am giving root 9. Then insert the particular symbol. So you will get, you can prepare equations like that. You can use any of these symbols and finally you can prepare the formulas. Okay, like that I can use math type. And we also have different kinds of other apps like category wise. Suppose communication, emoji keyboard like that, and language tool, advanced spell and grammar checker. So like that we have different types of products. And document review, and even file converters and viewers also available, PDF converters and different types of apps. Suppose I am clicking on communication and emoji keyboard, add that one and say continue. It is trying to prepare. I am closing this math app, math type app, and see emoji keyboard. So it is listing different kinds of emojis to place in your document. It is preparing. See, we have different kinds of emojis. Okay, you can insert them and you can utilize them as per your requirement. Generally, these options or these utilities are not provided in the Word, but you want those utilities in MS Word document, then you can add particular one and you can use the features of that product. And see my add-in, see all. You can view all the add-ins what you added present, and you can also manage add-ins. Directly it is showing and it is asking to sign in. Okay. So these are the options. If you want to hide, you can hide it. Suppose I want to hide it. And you can make it visible later also. Just hide. And if you want to show hidden applications. So like that you can add different kinds of application and you can use the features of that application. Okay.